First, let's take all the clays out. Then we use the brown of the clay to start from the head. And you can using the template to check the size. And using your fingers to shape the edges. Let's get the skin color to do the nose. We make the oval shape, push down, and add on the nose part. Make sure you need to attach well and make the nose a little higher than the face. Your thumb and forefinger are good tools. You can use them keep shape of the ox head until it looks nicely. Let's do an ear. Just get a little brown and rolling like water drop. Push down, use a toothpick, press line in the middle of the ear. Also, you can using our template to check the size of the ear. The other side ear is the same thing. Rolling like a water drop, press down, press line, and then check the size by using our template. You also can twist a little bit the ear until you find the good looking way. Now we're using the golden clay to make the home. Because the golden clay is a different type of clay. It's sticky, so we will just make the shape first and then let it dry a little bit and then pressing line later on. After we done the parts, even it's clay, we still need to use glue to glue each part together. Make sure when the clay dry, it won't fall down. Let's attach the head on the cardboard. You need to feel glue well on the back side of the head so it can attach well. Now we use golden color to do the brim of the head and then glue on the head first. Then use the red color to do in the head. Now you can glue the tiny golden ball on top of the head, and then use toothpick to press line on the top of the head. Also, use a toothpick to poke the nose hole. Also, if you want, you can get a little bit of red and then white, mix it well to get a pink color. Then we can do a little bit of blusher on the face. Use the red clay rolling like a skinny strip to do the mouth. Use the black clay to do the eyes and then glue on the face. Also, if you want, you can add a tiny little white circle on the top of the eyes. Or the easy way, you just using the Google Eyes which we provided and then glue on the face directly. Now the surface of the golden home is a little dry out, so it will be a good timing to use a toothpick press line on the golden home. Also, if you want, you can stick the golden ball on two sides of the head. It's a traditional Chinese official hat looking. Now it's body time. Use brown clay, rolling like oval, press down, and use our template to modify the shape. You also can use the toothpick to take out the extra clay on the body. After you got the perfect shape on the body, then you can glue it on the cardboard. So you need to put glue on the back side and then top side. Now rolling the two fatty strips by red clay and use our template push down check the size to make the curls. And when you done check the size, you can put curls on the body and then attach well. Now use your thumb and the forefinger to press out the color. Because the golden clay is sticky, so we will do our clothes decoration first, let dry a little bit, and then glue it later on. So let's jump to the arm. Use brown clay, rolling like a fatty strip. Make sure one side is narrow. And you also can use our template to check the size and shape. After you're done, you want to glue it on the cardboard. You can use the toothpick to get the support and then glue it in so it will glue well. After finish your arm, let's go back for decoration of the clothes. I just put the clay get around the edge of the clothes, but also you can do your own way. Bead making is a similar way like making the arm. Roll a short strip by using the golden clay, and then you can use a golden ball to stick on the top and bottom of the strip to create the side of the banner. For the middle part of the banner, use the red clay, roll a strip, and use our template to check the size. And if everything looks good, you just use your side of hand push down to make it flat. Let's add the greeting on the banner. First, we just use a glue to write down the greeting on the banner. Second, we use the black clay to roll in like a really skinny strip and to add the words little by little to create your greeting words. After you finish your greeting and check everything looks okay, then we can put the glue on the back side of your banner and then glue it on the box. So you need to make sure you fill off the glue in everywhere of the back side of the banner. In the final part, we just need to use the black clay to do a little bit of hand and then attach on the two sides of the banner. So make the ox look like he is holding the banner. Also, if you want, you can use the golden clay to add a little tiny details on the tail.